Hey everyone, my name is Dewan Ahmed and I'm a Principal Developer Advocate at Harness. In this video, we'll dive into Harness AI Code Agent, a powerful coding assistant that lives right inside your IDE. Powered by large language models and with a built-in chat interface, it helps you build, refactor, and debug faster. In this video, we'll see how Harness AI Code Agent helps with application creation using a real-world Django example. Let's get started. In VS Code, I open up the Harness AI chat panel and provide a high-level prompt to generate the initial code. Harness AI's chat generates a skeleton file for the command. The code includes the class definition with a handle method and a placeholder for logic. In the IDE, this response is nicely formatted in the chat bubble with syntax highlighting. I can copy it directly from the chat or use the insert code button. But in my case, I'm going to create the file myself in the appropriate folder and paste the snippet. Harness AI recognizes this file creation and will consider its contents for subsequent prompts. With the scaffold in place, I could start to fill in the real logic. In the handle method, I'm going to start by typing in a comment and then the beginning of some code. As I pause, Harness AI's autocomplete kicks in, suggesting a completion displayed as inline ghost text. Seeing that this is the right approach, I can accept the suggestion by pressing Tab. Harness AI just saved me from remembering the exact query syntax. I can also see that I haven't imported the user model, so let's go to the top to fix that. Again, Harness AI suggests an import. In this way, line-by-line autocompletion helps flush out the feature quickly. I didn't have to leave the editor or search for documentation to figure out how to implement this. Harness AI understood the context, such as the Django project and the user model usage, and provided relevant code suggestions inline. Suppose that I want to enhance the command to also display the number of staff users. I can ask Harness AI chat to help me with this. Because the current file is open and Harness AI has context, it can suggest an updated code snippet. Harness AI explains the changes that it's proposing. I can easily merge this change by either manually editing the file or using Harness AI's inline edit feature to apply the div. At this point, the new feature code is written. I was able to achieve the application creation task swiftly, with Harness AI acting as a pair programmer for scaffolding, completing code, and providing quick iterations via chat. Writing the application code is a primary function of my role, but another key function is getting that code delivered into production. As such, I'll need to create the container image for this app along with a pipeline to build and deploy the app to Kubernetes. Harness AI will now suggest appropriate build steps based on my code base, as well as appropriate deploy steps based on the target Kubernetes environment. And that's how Harness AI Code Agent can help you with new application features right inside your IDE without breaking the flow. If you found this video helpful, please give this a like and share with your teams. Please join Harness Community Slack if you have any questions. The link is in the video descriptions. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.